First held in 1974 and celebrated every June 5, the World Environment Day is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. It is celebrated to address environmental issues such as deforestation, increasing global warming, wastage, among others. Some of the themes for the previous years include Go Wild for Life, Connecting People to Nature, Beat Plastic Pollution, Beat Air Pollution, and now Biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variations expressed in life, which includes plants, animals, and microorganisms, as well as their importance in creating a balance in sustainability of life. Biodiversity is important for the ecosystem services, biological resources, as well as social benefits. Biodiversity loss is the reduction or extinction of species of plants or animals in a certain habitat. Some of the drivers of biodiversity loss include overexploitation of natural resources, pollution, invasive species, anthropogenic activities, climate change, and habitat loss. Loss of biodiversity from human activities could result in depletion of resources, climate change, pollution, natural disasters, and disease prevalence. We must collectively ensure that our activities on Earth does not threaten the richness of life and balance that biodiversity provides, and also align our operations with the following SDGs: clean and affordable energy, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, and life on land. The foods we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe to make our planet habitable all come from nature. We have just one planet. Indeed, it is time for nature.